What's up, Peak Timers? The 2020 A-Case cars have finally been revealed, and we're gonna go over each one of them in today's video. If you want to get your own 2020 A-Case, check out the link in the description below where you can pick one up from granittoys.com. I will have this case in hand to unbox early next week, so stay tuned for the full unboxing. Until then, let's see what the cars are. First up is the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, Night Shifter, 1985 Honda City Turbo 2, Land Rover Series 3 pickup, 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI, Diaper Dragger, 2010 Copo Camaro SS, Batmobile, Wheelie Chair, Hot Wheels ID Night Shifter, Bubble-Matic Treasure Hunt, Aeropod, Nissan Skyline GTR BN R32. There will also be a Super Treasure Hunt variation of this GTR, Snoopy, 2005 Ford Mustang, Octane, Road Bandit, 1969 Chevelle, Chill Mill, Carbonator, Indy 500 Oval, Gotta Go, Tooligan, Pixel Shaker, Hot Wheels Formula Solar. In the comments down below, let me know which car you're most looking forward to in the 2020 Hot Wheels A-Case.